Is your Ram 2500's key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. Symptoms include unresponsive buttons, the vehicle not detecting the key, or the inability to remotely open the key fob case. These batteries typically last 1 to 3 years, with cold weather and frequent use accelerating depletion. A 2025 recall, its ID 25V-123, affects some 2022-2023 models with faulty housings that cause premature battery failure, which can be replaced at the dealership for free. The following steps can easily resolve these issues. Replacing the CR2032 battery is straightforward. First, open the key fob case using a coin or flat screwdriver in the back slot, twisting to separate the halves. If stiff, gently warm it with a hairdryer. Next, remove the old battery, noting the positive side orientation. Insert the new CR2032 with the correct polarity to avoid shorts. Snap the case back together. Some models may require reprogramming via the vehicle's infotainment system by holding the lock and unlock buttons for 5 to 10 seconds, or by visiting a dealership. Avoid touching battery contacts to prevent static damage and use gloves if possible.